you can report on your.
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah, if I see a video, I immediately tell Lydia.
That's why an opportunity is make people in trouble.
Mobile take it.
Yeah, we'll go back to
We'll get a start and go things down.
we'll keep on Mundiala.
Hey, that's actually a good idea.
We'll keep on Mundial. No need to collect money for birthday.
No. Actually, that's actually good. I'm telling you. We'll collect money. By what Naveen will do, he'll put 10 rupees in and he'll speak for a week. You'll put 10 rupees inside the Undial and then you
Advance
speak for a week.
No, I said it's fine.
You have to buy the
அப்பனா சாலரி அந்த மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு 100 ரூபாய் போட்டு மொபைல் வாங்கிட்டு
bank, what do you say?
Piggy bank.
Piggy bank.
Piggy bank.
We keep something like that, no? Probably when going for.
கண்டிப்பா திருடுவோம் பேங்க் ஆமா அதுல தம்படிக்கிற பசங்க தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திருடுவாங்க அதெல்லாம்
No, actually we can use it for orphanage thing. Okay
guys, now what you have to do is you create the metrics and send it to us. See that column we said no.
have to prepare a good board.
On our own.
Good board for teams. Two columns in that board. One is the fun wise, another one is business wise. And you have to give us business.
Mark Puli.
Okay guys, go.
Come on. Hey, Shalini.